Hi everybody, Kevin from the Awareness website, Awareness Tai Chi again. So this week we're working on moves 103, 104, and 105. So that's shoot tiger with bow, chop with fist, and step up, deflect, parry, punch. So hang in there, we'll be right back. Okay, so here we are again, and we're going to be working on the last new move in the set. So this is the last move that we haven't done anything on. There's been lots of repeat. So this is the last one, draw bow to shoot tiger. And then there's an old favorite following, chop with fist, and then step up, deflect, parry, punch. So that's what we're going to cover on this video. And hang on till the end of the video because I'm going to be talking a little bit about the workshop we're having in Medicine Hat here. So you'll want to get some information on that. Okay, so let's get into it. Last week we ended with turn and sweep lotus, or turn around and sweep lotus. So when you get into that one, once you've done the kick, you're going to be stepping down into draw bow to shoot tiger. So I'll do the sweep lotus just so you can see the flow, and then we'll get into the details. So from the left corner, start the turn and pivot, pakwa, pigeon-toed, hands to the right, sweep the foot, and then if you're out of balance, you can put the toe down, sit, step, and then draw bow to shoot tiger. So the right arm goes up with a fist, palm out, but a fist, and the left hand, fist straight out with the knuckles down, so the palm kind of in an upward position. So, like I said, if you're a little out of balance after the kick, you can drop the foot, use it for stability to sit and take your step. If you have the balance to do the kick, keep the foot floating. Keep the foot up and step out as you sit. So when the hands come to the left side, slap the foot, cross, and you want to continue to turn into the sit. So if you can do that, then that's great. If not, like I say, put the foot down and have the stability. When you come around, the hands are to the right, they come to the left, sit and step. So you try and do that smoothly, because when the hands are coming to the left, that's giving your body the opportunity to turn and sit into the left hip. You don't want to sort of slap and stay forward and try and sit and step. You want to turn, spiral down into that leg, step out, and then shoot tiger with bow. So from there, once you've slapped, step, shoot tiger with bow, you open the hands, push, pull, sit back down, come up with a bouquet, pakwa step, chop to the front, and push out. Up and step through, parry, deflect, parry, punch. So those are kind of old favorites. You've done that lots of time in the set, so we probably don't need to go through that a whole bunch. But coming back into it, so from the shoot tiger, so as you slap the foot, sit down and step, shoot tiger with bow, coming back, you just Toryu back. Open, relax into left leg, push up with the bouquet, pakwa, and chop. Push out. So you just want to make sure you get your weight into that back leg again. After you've done the shoot tiger, don't just try and come up with the bouquet. I mean, you can if you can connect that back leg, but it's good to get into another set. So come back in, load the leg, and then you can push up, pakwa, and chop. So, I don't know if you can hear, we got water running through the studio here, so Gives it a very calm, serene sort of thing. It's like the trickling waterfall.
Actually doing laundry and forgot. So. It's very serene.
So, sorry about that, but yes, just imagine a waterfall. Okay, so yeah, not a lot of details. Again, it's all based on Toryus. The shoot tiger with bow is just a Toryu forward. So you cross the fists, you Toryu forward, Toryu back, Danyu up, Pakwa, chop, Danyu into the front leg, up, step through, and Toryu with the deflect parry punch. So very, very simple. Okay, so maybe we'll do some follow along here. So I'm going to start, and maybe we'll include the turn and sweep lotus, just because getting into shoot tiger, it helps just to kind of keep a continuity with it. So we'll take it to start with from here, and we'll turn and sweep lotus. So from the left corner, drop the hands, pivot, Pakwa. Whoops, let's start that again. I kind of goofed. So from here, hands pressed down, turn, Pakwa, pigeon toed, sweep the foot, step down, shoot tiger with bow. Open up and come back. Up with the bouquet of flowers for chop with fist. Push out, up, relax back down, step, deflect parry punch. Okay, so let's do that again, and I won't goof it up this time. So Pakwa step, keep the turn going. Turn to the right, sit down and step, punch up, open, up with the bouquet and chop with fist. And deflect parry punch. Okay, so let's do it facing this way. So you're beside me. We'll be going in that direction to do the kick. Or that direction. It's so confusing sometimes. Drop the hands, turn and pivot. Pakwa step. Open up. Bouquet. Chop with fist. Okay, so let's try that again. Turn. Keep the turn going as you step. Shoot tiger. Open up. Relax into left leg. Push up. Chop. So sort of a half new and half old stuff sequence. So easy enough. So play around with it. Again, you can add in the sweep with lotus, turn and sweep lotus. Makes it a little more fun. Practice that kick. So yeah, just practice. So again, just a reminder, we're having a one-day workshop in Medicine Hat here next Saturday on the 24th, August 24th, from 10 till 5. And it'll be at the YMCA in town here. Shelley's going to send out the address and everything for it. So get a hold of us. Let us know if you're coming. We've got some folks from the U.S. coming up for it. So love to see you guys if you can possibly make it. We'll have some Tai Chi. We'll have some lunch. We'll have some more Tai Chi. And then we're planning to go out for dinner afterwards. Again, no charge for the workshop. Just whatever you can do to get here. We'd just love to see you and do some Tai Chi with you. So.
And nothing they really need.
Yeah.
There's been a couple people wondering.
Just your Tai Chi clothes. Practice before you get here. Yeah, so there's no requirements or anything. You just show up and join in. We'll have some fun. Okay, so as always, like us on Facebook, check out the website, subscribe to the channel, and just to mention, if you're searching for our videos, if you come across this one, you're looking for some of our other videos, just go to the website, click on the YouTube icon on the front page there, and that'll take you to our channel. That's the best way to find all our videos. If you're just trying to search it on YouTube itself, that's the hard way. So make it easy for yourself. Just go to the channel. Again, there's no cost to it or anything. You just can subscribe, and then you have total access to all our videos and everything. If you just go to the channel, they're all there. You'll be able to find whatever you're looking for, pick and choose, watch them. You can do some binge watching on Awareness Tai Chi.
There you go.
So just have fun. Just wanted to mention that because we've had a few people that have been having trouble getting to some of the videos and stuff, and they were doing it the hard way. So I just want to make sure you guys know how easy it is to get there. So yeah, have fun with it. Take care. See you next week.